Today we are going to learn about mastering multi-index in Pandas. In this video, we will explore advanced multi-index techniques that are crucial for efficiently managing complex, multi-dimensional datasets, enhancing your data analysis skills.
Welcome to our session on mastering multi-index in Pandas. Multi-index allows for more complex data structures, offering the ability to handle multiple dimensions of data efficiently. This is particularly beneficial in real-world applications where datasets are often intricate and multi-layered. Throughout this video, we'll delve into the specifics of creating, manipulating, and leveraging multi-indexes to enhance your data analysis capabilities. You'll learn how to create multi-indexes from existing data frames, access data using iloc and iloc, reorder and sort multi-index levels, handle missing data, and much more. Let's embark on this journey to elevate your data management skills. In this block, we explore how to create multi-indexes from existing data frames. A multi-index in Pandas can be created using the set_index function, which allows you to set one or more columns as the index of your data frame. This is particularly important when working with hierarchical data structures. For instance, if you're working with sales data from multiple regions and time periods, a multi-index can help organize this data efficiently. You can also create multi-indexes directly from arrays and tuples, providing even more flexibility. Ensuring that your index levels are unique is critical, as it facilitates easier data manipulation and retrieval. Through practical examples, we'll demonstrate how multi-indexes can be created and utilized to simplify complex datasets. Once you've created a multi-index, the next step is accessing your data efficiently. This is where iloc and iloc come into play. The iloc function is used for label-based indexing, allowing you to access rows and columns by their labels. On the other hand, iloc is used for position-based indexing, which accesses data at specific integer positions. Understanding the difference between iloc and iloc is crucial for precise data manipulation. For example, using iloc, you can easily access all sales data for a specific region and year, while iloc can help retrieve data based on its position within the data frame. We'll demonstrate these functions using practical use cases, highlighting their benefits in accessing complex datasets. In this block, we focus on reordering and sorting multi-index levels. Properly ordered multi-indexes can significantly enhance the readability and analysis of your datasets. The sort_index method in Pandas is a powerful tool for sorting your data by index levels. This method ensures that your data is organized in a way that makes hierarchical analysis straightforward. Moreover, you can reorder index levels using the swap level method, which is particularly useful when you need to change the hierarchy of your data structure. We'll illustrate these concepts with practical examples, demonstrating how sorted and well-ordered multi-indexes can facilitate comprehensive data analysis.
Handling missing data is a common challenge in data analysis, and this becomes even more critical when working with multi-indexes. Identifying missing data within multi-indexes requires a thorough understanding of your dataset structure. Pandas provides methods such as fillna and dropna to address missing data. Fillna allows you to replace missing values with specified values or methods, while dropna helps remove rows or columns with missing data. It's important to recognize the impact of missing data on your analysis and implement strategies for data imputation that maintain data integrity. In this block, we'll explore these methods, ensuring you're equipped to handle missing data effectively within your multi-index structures.
Stacking and unstacking are powerful techniques for transforming data frames with multi-indexes. The stack method compresses a data frame from a wide format to a long format by pivoting on the innermost column index, while unstack does the opposite, transforming the long data frame into a wide format. These methods are particularly useful in data manipulation, allowing you to rearrange your data structure based on your analysis needs. For instance, stacking can be used to create a more granular view of your data, while unstacking can help in aggregating data at higher levels. In this block, we'll demonstrate the applications of stacking and unstacking, highlighting their role in converting between wide and long formats.
Advanced slicing techniques in multi-index provide the ability to perform complex queries on your dataset, allowing for layered data access. The slice function in Pandas is particularly useful for defining slices across multiple index levels. This enables you to retrieve data efficiently, focusing on specific subsets without manually iterating through the entire dataset. For example, you can use advanced slicing to access data for specific regions and time periods simultaneously, increasing the efficiency of your data retrieval process. In this block, we'll explore practical examples of advanced slicing, demonstrating how these techniques can streamline your data analysis workflows. In this block, we examine a real-world example of multi-index usage in business analytics. Multi-indexes are particularly beneficial when working with financial data, where datasets often contain multiple dimensions such as region, product, and time. By organizing data with multi-indexes, analysts can perform comprehensive analyses, such as comparing sales performance across different regions and time periods. Additionally, multi-indexes enhance data visualization, making it easier to present insights to stakeholders. Through a detailed case study, we'll illustrate how multi-indexes can be leveraged to handle complex, multi-dimensional datasets effectively, showcasing their practical application in a business context. In conclusion, mastering multi-index in Pandas equips you with the skills to handle complex, multi-dimensional datasets efficiently. Throughout this video, we've covered key concepts such as creating and manipulating multi-indexes, accessing data using iloc and iloc, and advanced techniques like stacking, unstacking, and slicing. These skills are invaluable in real-world data analysis, enhancing your ability to perform detailed and structured analyses. As you continue your journey in data analysis, I encourage you to practice these techniques and explore further applications of multi-index in your projects. Thank you for joining us, and we wish you success in your data endeavors.